This is our final example from 10.2, and we'll be using Excel. So a nutritionist also wants to use the data to determine if the posting of the caloric information has reduced average food calories. And so let's see here. So again, we need the null and alternative. And so we're still talking about calories here, and they want to know if they're reduced. So let's think about it. Before minus after, what is going to happen to the value? So if they were reduced, let's say they were 100 and now they're 80, they're going to be 20. But if they were 80 and then they went up, they would be negative 20. So we want to know if they're reduced, the difference would be positive. And therefore, less than or equal to. So this is our claim here. This is if they were reduced. So we're going to go into our Excel file here. Okay, so let's go into our data analysis all the way to the bottom. And these are a paired, matched pairs dependent. So we're going to click that. And our first variable is before. So let's grab all the befores. And our second variable is after. So let's grab all the afters. And we do have labels on those. And let's just double check. We are talking about a 5% significance level. Click OK. And then I like to just make that get a little bit bigger. And so what we are worried about are the test statistic is 6.7795. So 6.796. So our test T is 6.776, right? Yes. Oop, 95. And our p-value, we need to take a look at what kind of tail we've got. So we've got a one-tailed test. And they might not always give you the right inequality symbol, but it is a one-tailed test. And so here we get an E. Whenever we get an E, that means it's that many digits, zeros away from the decimal point. So that's 0.0000215. So we can essentially say 0.00000. And so how does that compare to our significance level? Well, that's low. So we're going to reject the null, which means we can say that there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the food calories have been reduced. And so here it is written out for you. And then go ahead and give this one a try. And because it is data values, you can use Excel, so just keep that in mind. And press play when you're ready to see the solution. And that concludes 10.2.